never made it, but I know what it takes.
Hey, we are 1,963 miles away from our destination, from Martinique. It's Wednesday today. I don't know what day, what number, what day, how many days? Day 7. Day 7 of our crossing. We've got the sails set up as goose winging. There is Anna. Hello, Anna.
I'm very excited today!
Why?
For the first time we have spotted a sailing boat on our stern, which means behind us the horizon. Yes, Sorin was the one to spot it and got very excited because we only seen so far 3 commercial shipping vessels, like big beasts. But now it's finally a sailing boat! Yeah!
And we're gonna go and have dinner with them,
No,
and a few
of course
drinks.
not, of course not.
No,
Very
we're
far.
not. Yes. And it looks like they're going towards Cape Verde Islands. They're not, or maybe somewhere, Barbados, somewhere that way. But
They're not
yeah.
following the same course in any case.
In any case, go
Yes.
on, Anna. Tell us
Can I-
more with excitement. Yes, go on.
Can I film you, please?
Yes, you can. Yes.
Okay, so careful.
No, all you need to do is grab it and turn it towards me.
Okay, so can I also say what happened today for the second time on our trip?
I caught my second fish. I caught my second dorado with my birthday gift, which I bought for myself on my birthday. Quite sad if you think about it, but it's...
Just say that it was me, lie!
Oh yeah, Anna bought it for me. She was so kind. It's okay.
It's still going, okay.
And yeah, but it's great. It's I've launched it and in less than an hour, the fish was pulling. So we have dorado again for dinner tonight.
Happy days!
Happy days.
Okay, guys, bye bye for now, as Sorin says.
How are you gonna turn it off now?
I don't know.
Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control.